Good morning. This is your video for science for fifth grade. Well, not fifth grade, but fifth and sixth grade, but it's the fifth grade book that we're using. And so today, the science that you're getting ready, and we're getting ready for a test next week on this as well. If you've already watched the history video, you'll know that. But the science video that we're doing starts off on page 24 today, goes through page 27. And so as far as notes that you're supposed to do, and in fact I did require you to do notes, and so those of you that hadn't done them, you need to be doing them. I will be letting your parents know. It is in the syllabus, but probably some of you haven't even shown your parents the syllabus, but you need to be taking notes. And as you found out when you took those quizzes yesterday, most of you, or many of you, who didn't take notes, the ones that didn't take notes generally did not do well. There may have been one or two of you that did okay on one quiz, but not the other. But anyway, as far as science goes, we will have a quiz on tomorrow, on Monday, and so we'll have that, and then we'll probably have the some kind of a preview or review for the test, which will be probably Wednesday. Oh, that's right. There is a project that actually can be done. That we will most likely be doing, so the test probably won't be till toward the end of the week. But it's a rock hounding project, and you can look at that if you wanted to go ahead. It's on pages 28 and 29, and the activity manual is 20 and 21. But don't get started on it yet, because I want to explain it to you of how it needs to work. And so we are the section that we're doing today is toward the end of it, and always at the end of your pages of your reading there is a chapter summary. In other words, things that you need to know and key ideas, that type of thing, as far as a study guide for your test. And so we have in our work to do the pages 24 to 27, which is basically talking about rocks. And rocks, you guys see rocks everywhere, okay? Different types of rocks, different things that they're made from, and what they're, how they're created, how they're made, different aspects of them, as far as their characteristics and different types of rocks. If you want to know these are important to know. And then we do have two more quizzes to do. So we have the one on Monday, and then we'll have another one, because there are 3 quizzes for this chapter, and then we'll do the test sometime later in the week, probably maybe Thursday or Friday. And so do your reading, get your notes done well. Remember, the key notes to take would be your vocabulary. The bolded words, the beginnings of paragraphs. And I'm looking, for instance, page 24. It says Dr. Munchell thought that local floods and long periods of time caused rocks to look the way they do. That's the first sentence. But that's not going to be something you're going to be tested on. That's just something that they're using as sort of a transition from the last lesson to this lesson. And so, you really need to focus on the important information. And that means you need to read it and you need to understand it. And always remember, you have me to be able to call, to talk to if you have questions about anything that includes your reading for science and for history, or any question that you might have about that. So make sure that you do that. All right, well, that's it for this video, and we hope that you have a wonderful weekend. If you didn't watch the history video, don't forget to do that. Have a good day. Bye.